This rain, guys, it has not even. Long time ago, when I was still very young, so I used to ask my father, why did you go and get land in town or in Nairobi, Eldoret, and build some houses there so that we can always go from the village and go visit there like other people do? So my father used to tell me that grow up and you will know. So I just remember that because I've grown up and I can see how things are tough, guys. Hello, my people. Don't ever give up, guys. So today I'm here at work. Yeah, this is the place I am today. So still working very hard, guys. Very hard. Even though I don't know if it is a lot of dust, I feel headache. You can see my eyes are brown. Yeah. So I don't feel so well, guys. So I feel like I'm sick, but I have to do this, guys. I have to do this because this is what I decided to do. So, guys, for my returning subscriber, thank you so much, guys, for the love and support. Thank you for always being there for me. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you. I want to thank you for making me move to where I am, guys. I am at 600 hours, guys. So still, I need you so much, guys. You mean not the world to me. And for the new ones who have just come to this channel, please, guys, please, I am just a really cool trying to change my life. Please support me. Take me to 2,000 hours, to 2,000 subscribers, and I also need your hours, guys, because I'm just behind. I am at 600. So, guys, I was asking you, guys, kindly please support me, share my videos. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Be sure to do that, guys. We are trying our best. So today here, I was doing some work here, so I wanted you to know, guys, what I'm doing for today. Guys, I have to bring you this video because this is where I do, this is where I work, and I spend here every day, so I can't go out bring you more content because of time. Please go, guys, you will forgive me about that, but I'm trying my best to show you what I do, my job. Guys, I have little knowledge on plumbing. That's why I just came here to support Strongman 254. So I'm here working with him. I just decided to work for free, guys. Yes, because I just looked at this guy and I said, this guy is my friend, and in fact, we have been friends since childhood. So I decided that the only gift I can give him, because he's supporting me one way or the other, the only gift I could give him is to come and help him with his plumber to rectify his mistakes. The work is really challenging, so I knew the stress Strongman was going through. That's why I just decided to come and support him because I have knowledge in this, so I can do it. Like yesterday, I did a lot of work here, so I just helped him. Right now, you can see it's not even around. At least it's getting some air outside. So I'm here working. So today I will chiseling around. So I will have to show you. I have to show you what I have been doing. So guys, I was following this pipe here, guys. So when I dug around here, around this junction, no? So when I dug around here, I found these holes, this one and this. Why did I decide to dig here? Because yesterday we poured some water inside here, so to test this. After pouring water, I found out that yesterday I dug this. I was looking for this where it was connecting because I was trying to fix this. This pipe is 1.25 inch, and we were supposed to put 2 inch, one and a half inch. So we wanted to remove this. So yesterday I just dug and found this. So when I poured some water here, I saw some leakages here because the glue was not applied when this guy was fixing this. So after pouring the water, so we went home. It was late. Then after coming after some hours, Strongman found out that the water was leaking down to his bed from the floor. So we realized that there might be more leakages. So I decided to dig around here, and I found these holes. And this guy had placed he placed a glue around here and placed a certain pipe that he cut and placed on top of it, but the water was still leaking from there. I took some videos on this by Strongman. We were with Strongman because I called him. So I will take those photos and I will just put them here so that you can see. So guys, this was the mistake, and we will have to remove this pipe so that we can put a new pipe here, and we put some glue because the glue is not around here, and then we will fix it coming to this way because here we will put our junctional. You can see we have it already. It will be just this way, this way. So to receive this pipe and to receive this pipe from here, and then to receive this one here from here, this bathroom. So Mr. Dante will, when we put his trap there, so Mr. Dante's bathroom, bath section there, then the water will flow up to here and it will continue moving to this main hole here. So, and this one will come from the hand basin right there. We will put a hand basin there. So we decided to change this. So we are already doing this great job, guys. So thank you so much, guys, for the love and support. You mean all the world to me, and I just want you to continue supporting me, watch my videos until to the end. So guys, I appreciate you so much for the love. I appreciate you so much. You mean all the world to me, guys. I don't take your love for granted. Just watch the video to the end. Support me with ours, guys. Thank you so much, my fans. I love you. I love you. Please stay tuned because every bit that what I do here, I'm gonna show you. So sometimes when you have this job, guys, just contact me. I would love to come and do it because I know how to do this, but you know, when you are in town and you have a skill and nobody knows you, it's very difficult for you to be able to be given a job because nobody knows you. Like this guy here, he came and did this job because he had somebody. So that's what happens here in Kenya, Africa. Thank you so much, guys. Stay tuned. Guys, let me take you through here to see how I connected these pipes. See it, guys. See, I decided to do it a new way, guys. You can see. So I just connected this one from the outside so that because we wanted to use only one heater, so to reduce the expenses. So that is it. That's it, guys. The job is done very well, professional, guys. I don't think there will be mistakes. And we just let the water to be in this pipe so that we can find out if there's some leakages. But the morning we found that everything is okay. There's no leakages, but the water is in the pipe. Thank you so much, guys. Stay tuned, please. So, guys, this is my lunch. It's a porridge. and this is chapati. This is chapati, guys. They just sell it down here. They just sell it down here. So this is chapati. Welcome to my lunch. So guys, this is chapati, my lunch, and this is porridge. Yeah, you can see. Welcome to my lunch, guys. Hey, video inafanya muziki. Una rekodi ama una yeah. Step on it. Bend. This one. Ah.
Tape measure. Potato iko hapa. Ndio. Ndio ile kwa kwangu yenyewe. Mm. Joka tena. Ben, eko. Hivyo. Mm. Futi.
Hmm? Is it right? Yeah.
Mungu ya. chini sana. Oh, hey. Hey. Wow. Kama nimeelewa Mm. Sasa angalia, weka kipande hapa, alafu usije hapa. Hapa tutaunganisha baada tight, hiyo itaingia nini? Kitu tight like hata hii.
Yapo na studio safi sana waja tuanze kama unajiamini kweli. First opening. Sio humu ya kwanza. Mbona unapenda hapa ndani? Tutakwambia tu nyumba hapa ndani. Dada mimi ndani sana. Napenda humu ndani sana.
So
guys, the rain is really very, very heavy. So we are experiencing rain. It is around 2 p.m. and the rain is very, very heavy. Most of the people have stopped working because of rain, and now you can see this is what's going on here. This is what it is, guys. You can see. Look at this water, guys. Look at that water. Look at this. Look at this water. Very, 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 can you see? Windy. This is the true El Nino, guys. True El Nino. This rain, guys, it has not even taken 30 minutes, but you can see the way water is running. Water is really running now. Oh my God. Oh my God. Now the water will fill the dam.
It's raining very heavy. And it comes with
Lot of wind.
lot of wind and
Look at this.
ice storm.
The Hilton also.
Ice storm.
Yes. These are the Hilton, guys. You are seeing the white. Look at this water. This is how, guys, the rain, the rain that we experience here. It's too heavy, guys. The rain is too heavy. You can see the way water is flowing down. Yeah, that is it. Look at that water, guys. That's just rainwater. It's not a river, guys. It is just rainwater. But it doesn't do anything. It's just that when the rain is over and the water is over.
So
It
guys,
just
I
flows to
wonder,
the river and it has
the way
no
rain
people
has
around
rained
it.
this way,
So this is
what
it
will
is,
happen to
guys.
our clay bath?
But see the way trees are
Sometimes
swinging.
back I did a video on the clay bath and I saw some people complaining that I am a trader and I have shown everything and it was just a video. What will happen to this now? It has just rained this way. Yeah. What will happen? Then let us wait and see. So this is what it is. The rain has rained and all this water is passing through there. This will be a terrible experience in the clay bath. But there will be always a way. There will be always a way. So it's all God's work. We can't blame anybody. So guys, stay tuned and let us wait and see.
Hoya, guys. I'm out of my job, guys. Now I'm heading home. I'm heading home, guys. So I'm here on my way home. So you can look at this, guys. The rain has really rained so much. The rain has been too much here. You can see the rain and the pistons are falling, guys. You see, the road is really bad, guys. Water is flowing down. You can see the way stones have destroyed some maize. It's like grass, guys, like grass. So I'm so happy, guys. I'm heading home now. So after work, I have to go home. But before that, I have to get this video for you guys so that I can update you on everything. So, guys, today the job was okay. I've been working very hard. So we are on the verge of finishing everything there. So we have the material already arrived. So the job is just doing well. So guys, now I'm out. You can see cows grazing, guys. There's a cow grazing here. Yeah, this is the way the maize are almost be harvested. It's just a matter of time. Yeah, that's it. You can see some millets, maize. That is it, guys. You can see, guys, the way the rain has rained. This water, guys, you know, this water takes me back when I was a very little child, very little kid. So we used, after the rain, we used to go play inside the water. You know, by the time your parent comes, you are the whole of your body is full of water. Yeah, so it was really fun and nice. Yeah, that's it. No surprise. Hey, hey, that's my engineer going. So that is what it is, guys. That's what it used to be. That's the life of the villagers, guys. You find a small kid playing inside water. Yeah, that is it. So sometimes we have to remember our back days. Yeah, that's it.